What's up, y'all? Y'all like my new safety glasses? Safety first. Right.
So what's happening right now, Matt?
Do what now?
What's happening right now?
What happening right now?
Yeah.
You know what's happening. We're taking the motor out. Why don't you explain it this time?
I want them
You're
to
a mechanic too.
understand.
Look at your toolbox. Show the world your toolbox. You're a mechanic. Tell the people what we're doing. The people want to hear from you, man.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do. Well, I'm fighting with a fuel line right now. But pretty much, we'll get these heater hoses off. We already got the radiator disconnected. Already got the power steering lines disconnected off the back of the power steering pump. We got to get the starter off. Torque converter bolts, bell housing bolts, motor mounts, and what else, Austin?
I don't know.
Yeah, you do.
You've done it before.
Have I?
Yeah.
On what?
I don't know. I don't even know how
He
cars
had
we
me.
work on anymore.
He asked
You
me.
pulled that one out.
He asked me the other day. He said, "What's wrong with the Riviera?" I said, "Don't you remember recording it?
Yeah.
The engine's at the machine shop right now. We took it out. I'm pretty sure you helped me with that. What
Pretty
other-
sure he helped you with that one.
Yeah. Yeah.
You just put springs in a gas tank in a car. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
It was
I did
yesterday. Yeah, I know. It was yesterday.
See, the reason he forgets is because the whole time he's working, he's thinking about food.
He's thinking about food or days of our lives.
I want them to
You know,
quote
He's
that.
getting
If
behind on
Quentin
them.
and Marianne are going to stay together.
Is that the-
Who in the
I
heck?
don't know. I don't know. Ask him. He'll know the names.
I figured you knew that.
No.
They haven't had Chipotle before.
And I never will.
No, it sounds
Not
like
eating.
heartburn.
I'm not eating something that doesn't make. No.
If the restaurant sounds like heartburn, you're probably going to have heartburn.
Oh, it's not heartburn, man. It's healthy. It's healthier than
Austin, you
McDonald's.
could eat an alligator's head.
I
Well,
have eaten alligator.
Yeah.
Do you like it, Mark?
no. I won't try it because you know why? I'm probably not going to like it much. Why
It tastes
don't-
like chicken, but I don't
No,
like
it doesn't. Everybody says that. It tastes like chicken.
it.
You know what tastes like chicken? Chicken. Chicken
I like
tastes like
food
chicken.
that is easy to kill. An
Yeah.
alligator will kill you.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, I'm not. It's like a deer. You know, a deer.
Hey,
And I don't
you
even
eat a
like.
deer
I
heart?
don't like
you
venison.
kind of like
No,
their
why
eyes.
would you eat an animal's organ? You know, it's like my mother used to
That's what they feed
liver
the
all the
dogs.
time. Liver. I'm like, why would I eat a liver out of anything?
It just tastes like blood.
Yeah, it tastes like blood. Everything it filters out.
It's the filter.
Yeah, yeah.
You're not gonna eat an oil
It's
filter
like
out of
eating.
your car.
It's like eating tilapia. Everybody, oh tilapia. That is a bottom-feeding sucker fish. It's you know, you want to impress me? Sea bass. There you go. Grouper.
Any bass for that matter.
Swordfish.
Red snapper.
Shark. Shark's good. I love
Shark
me
is
some
really good. Mako shark.
Shark.
Tastes like swordfish, which tastes like chicken.
But the fin of a shark tastes like scallops.
I don't like scallops.
Really?
No, I don't.
I never ate shark.
What?
I'd like to catch one though.
I've watched Shark Tank
Just wait till we
and occasionally Sharknado. Sharknado.
get big enough, man. We go on us a deep sea fishing trip.
There you go.
Go rent us a charter
In our
boat.
own boat.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to kick it up a notch.
12.
Or 12.
Guess we better get back to working on the engine.
Probably be a good idea.
Yeah.
Change yourself to cameraman.
Okay, so the owner of the car is going to be hitching to pick it up, so I'm going to set the camera up and time lapse and watch it for them. Get to break it a little bit more, so we can refine it. Needs to be some refinement done.
We've got a car inside that Guy Rescue's been sitting under the carport for 20 years.
Yeah.
Same with the 72
Yeah.
Corvette. I don't know if you saw the videos. He'll take it and drive it for a little while. Something will do.
This horn switch. What's up? Go grab my test light for me.
You want to put that remote right on your keyring?
I do. Yeah, I love the remote. I didn't think that
They
was
dump
possible.
like right here, right under the running boards.
Perfect.
But there's turn downs on it, so
Oh, perfect.
it.
That will be wonderful.
We had it up on the lift when we did it, and listening to it, it sounded kind of cool. But
Yeah.
when you put it on the ground, it resonates right
Yeah.
back up. So
Yeah.
it's
I like it.
it's pretty loud.
I like it.
And I would imagine it'll probably be really
I'm
loud
sure
if
that
you're
they-
jumping on it.
Oh, yes, it will be. So, well, so much for that.
Yeah.
The neighbors will be happy.
All it counts. My house is littered in front of me with burnouts.
Oh, I bet it is. I bet they love it.
Yeah. Oh, Mount Juliet Police usually have something to say about it.
That's pretty good. All right, then you know, listen. You know that stop that I'm making taxes on? And then I'm going to
Got to get the ride height set where he wants it. That's about the only cool thing with air ride is you can put it wherever you want it. He's gonna go up the road that way, so. Less than impressive.
Well,
I would have to turn it on a little bit.
Another one leaves.
He knew that if he hit that pedal too hard, it was gonna go.
We're getting rid of the little projects so we can concentrate on these bigger ones. We got to get Jim to stop saying, "Yeah, we can fix it, sure." Bring it in.
We got her going though.
Yeah, we did. Boys got another 68 Mustang torn apart today, and this car's actually really solid. Have a look at the floors. Well, there's no rust in the floor. Got a little bit of rust in the aprons, which is typical of these cars. Aprons.
How big on the apron?
Pretty difficult, but we'll be able to repair that. We don't have to replace stuff, so we got a little bit more taking apart to do. I'm going to wash them up over this weekend and do the engine compartments in them and stuff like that. I would imagine we're going to get pretty good at building 68 Mustangs. So
Can't believe none of them's a fastback though.
I know. We're going to build a fastback. We're going to build one. Joe's in there looking at hell crates. Joe's got plans.
Hell crates, what's that?
That's a Hellcat motor, tranny, gas tank, gauges, everything, and you can start it on the pallet.
Oh,
I say just put wheels on the pallet.
right.
Bring that to a redneck rumble.
I don't think so. Well, yeah, if it was on a pallet, we could, yeah, but I don't know. Maybe some sort of hell crate build in our future. We're whittling down some of these small jobs. Got a couple of them left to finish up, and then we're back on just all full restorations. And like I said, these guys are going to do their best. When somebody comes in and asks if we can fix something, they're both going to look at me and go, "We can, but we won't." We enjoy the restorations more so than freaking out over somebody else's car. So.
And it's always an extra something. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's always something extra.
Yeah, something extra or something goes wrong. Or,
Can't get a part for the next 2 months.
yeah, so in car, can you keep it inside? Yeah. But we got the 56 Cadillac coming up. Still no word on the motor for that yet. That should be relatively quick and easy. So I say that about everything, but and then the 53 Chevy, I forgot to ask Josh when he was over here about those new wiper discussions. Hopefully that'll be done. He gave me a bunch of other little stuff that he wants to check out on it, so we can do that. We're getting to where we have some room, so.
It needs to be fixed on it.
He had a bunch of stuff on it that needed to be fixed when the car was bought. I'd say he got kind of rooked on that one. But. Right near the airport, that's why you hear that horn all the time. Oh, the tugboat's on the Come Again River.
You gotta watch your back for them things. They sneak up on you.
This one, I mean, the places that these cars typically rot out in the frame rails, here where the bumpers bolt on, the aprons naturally go, but this one, like I said, I mean, it's a survivor car with actually originally it originally belonged to a Ford exec, so it was only lightly driven. So we got the motor out. We showed you that. We're going to clean that up, go through it. Tranny going to send the transmission out and have it done, and then we'll put a coat of lime gold on this car and send her down the road. So a little minor interior work we got to do to it. So we're not going to take this car apart to the extent that we usually take cars apart, even though we've already taken it apart to an extent that most people don't take them apart. So, but we can also do real clean paint jobs without doing full restorations. This car will be restored, but differently than say Mike's 68. Mike's 68 will have a real intimate knowledge on how to build a 1968 Mustang from the ground up. And even the ground under the car was rusty. So I had to repave the driveway, you know, whatever.
Sealer.
Yep.
But she's brand new now.
Yeah, that car's
Brand new.
yeah. And it's going to have a 5-liter GT motor in it, so it's going to be pretty cool.
Real nice looking.
Yeah, we've stalled a little bit on trying to find an AOD for it, but I'll find one. may take an adventure to pull apart. You know, I hate that though because you just don't know what you're getting.
No, I didn't get it.
Yeah, yeah. You actually got to take it out of the car in the dirt.
Gravel.
Yeah.
That's why you bought that mat. I know that was why. Because you went
Yeah.
to the junkyard the other day and was struggling.
If anybody out there has a Fox body automatic overdrive transmission, let us know. I've actually got a 5-speed out of a GT that I could probably swap with somebody if they wanted a 5-speed. And I mean, I've got everything: bell housing, clutch, flywheel, the whole deal. Comedy jokes going over in the corner there. Yeah. I think they're
They're
making
looking at the wood grain and laughing.
Yeah.
They're done being 13.
Yeah. They're done being 13. There is nobody in this shop that
Bobby
will
ate that.
ever be done being 13.
Bobby ate that piece of candy in there that we found in the floorboard. Now he's acting weird.
Yes. Yeah.
What piece of candy?
The one from 1976.
That little piece of paper you ate?
No, that's it.
Yeah, I know.
Piece of paper from 1962. I'm
Must be.
interested.
Where's that Carmex?
How big a piece of paper we talking?
Yeah. I think this car went to Woodstock.